Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're looking to refresh your look or change things up, we've got you covered with some expert tips on how to choose the perfect hairstyle. If you want more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and let's jump right in. Number 1. Face shape and hair texture. First things first, determining your face shape and hair texture is crucial. Your face shape can greatly influence which hairstyles suit you best, and your hair texture affects how those styles will look. Number 2. Lifestyle and personal style. Are you a low-maintenance guy, or do you like spending time on your hair? Do you prefer a classic, modern, or edgy look? These factors play a significant role in your hairstyle choice. First, think about your lifestyle. If you are a busy professional and don't have much time in the morning, then you need a low-maintenance hairstyle that looks sharp from morning meetings to late-night dinners. Maybe you're a student or an artist. Then a hairstyle that is unique and artistic may be the perfect choice for you. Consider your daily routine. If you're constantly on the move, a simple, easy-to-style haircut might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you enjoy spending time grooming yourself and experimenting with different looks, you might be open to more intricate styles that require extra care. Your personal style is crucial for determining your hairstyle. Do you lean towards a classic, timeless look that never goes out of fashion? Or are you someone who loves staying ahead of trends and wants a modern, cutting-edge hairstyle? Your personal style can greatly influence your haircut choice. It's a chance to express who you are and how you want the world to see you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to lifestyle and personal style. It's all about finding that perfect balance between practicality and self-expression. So, before you head to the barber's chair, take a moment to consider how your lifestyle and personal style can guide you towards the perfect hairstyle that suits you. Number 3. Research and inspiration. To get the creative juices flowing, do some research and find inspiration. Magazines, websites, and social media are excellent sources. A perfect example is Pinterest's Save Pictures of hairstyles that catch your eye. Number 4. Consulting a professional. Now, it's time to visit a trusted barber or hairstylist. They're the experts who can recommend styles that work best for your unique features and hair type. Don't be afraid to ask for their advice. Number 5. Be open to experimentation. Remember, change can be a good thing. Be open to experimenting with your look. Start with subtle changes if you're unsure, and see how it feels. Number 6. Product and styling. To maintain your chosen hairstyle, you'll need the right products and styling techniques. Your barber can recommend products, and there are plenty of tutorials online to help you style your hair at home, like hair gel, sea salt spray hair wax, etc. Number 7. Maintenance. Lastly, don't forget about maintenance. Regular trims and upkeep are essential to keep your hairstyle looking sharp and fresh. There you have it, guys. Choosing the perfect hairstyle is all about understanding your face shape, hair texture, and personal style. It's a journey of self-expression, and remember, confidence is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grooming tips and style advice. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.